This is the Strada Statale 163, the main road of the Amalfi Coast. Its entire 50-kilometer length is a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. The road is famous for two conflicting reasons: its dramatic scenery and its extreme traffic. The SS 163 officially runs from Positano in the west to Vietri sul Mare in the east. The road is locked between the Latari Mountains on the left and a sheer drop to the Tyrrhenian Sea on the right. There is very little flat ground. You are constantly climbing or descending through a series of elevation changes. For riding here, three technical points are critical. The corners are relentless and often completely blind. Overtaking is risky due to the narrow road and lack of visibility. The sun will be low and there will always be more traffic than you expect. The route connects several key towns and viewpoints. Here are 4 essential stops. First, Positano. The town is built on a steep incline, with buildings constructed vertically from the beach up the cliffside, known for its beaches and high-end boutiques. Next is the Fiordo di Furore. This is a small fjord or inlet with a beach located at its base. The SS 163 crosses the top of the fjord on a high arch bridge. The next major stop is Amalfi, the town that gives the coast its name. Historically, it was the capital of a powerful maritime republic. Just east of Amalfi, head up the SS 373. Riding up the mountain from here, you will find Ravello, which offer a different perspective from the coastal towns. A key attraction here is the Villa Cimbrone, known for its public gardens and the viewpoint called the Terrace of Infinity. If you enjoy this content, give the video a like and subscribe for more motorcycle routes around the world.